In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Microsoft Planner if you've ever worried about a task slipping through the cracks. The good news is that Planner can nudge you automatically, no extra tools required. The key is to use start and due dates on your task card because those dates are what trigger reminders and notifications. Begin by opening the task card you want to track. You can do this from any board or bucket view. Just select the task to bring up its details. Inside the task card, look for the date fields. You'll see a start date and a due date. The start date marks when work should begin. It helps you and your team visualize the timeline on your plan, and it can make your task show up appropriately in charts and schedules. The due date is the real driver behind reminders. This is the deadline, and once it's set, Planner uses it to automatically nudge the assigned person as the date approaches or if the task becomes overdue. Enter a start date that reflects when meaningful progress needs to kick off, then set a due date that's realistic for completion. Try to avoid picking dates that are too aggressive. Reminders are most helpful when they reflect a schedule you can actually meet. After you add those dates, you don't need to toggle anything else for basic reminders. Planner takes it from there. The assigned user will receive notifications as the deadline draws near, and if the task slips past the due date, they'll get overdue alerts as well. A few helpful notes here for clarity. Reminders go to the user assigned to the task, so if no one is assigned, there's no one to notify. Notifications typically show up as emails and can appear as push alerts if you're using the Planner app or have Planner integrated into Microsoft Teams. Delivery can also depend on your organization's notification policies and personal settings, so if you're not seeing messages, check your notifications and your emails, focused or clutter filters. Finally, dates are stored with your time zone in mind, so if you're collaborating across regions, make sure everyone understands which day the deadline represents. And remember, you can always adjust the start or due date later. Updating those fields will keep the reminder timeline accurate as your work evolves. That's all there is to it. Open the task card, add a start date and a due date, and let Planner send the gentle nudges that help you finish on time.